morning and welcome to the Newlands Monday Assembly on this bright sunny day. As always, we like to begin our assemblies by a reminder of what this week's precept is. And here you go. We don't need to share the same opinions as others, but we need to be respectful. Each of us will have our own opinion of things and how things should be or shouldn't be in this world. We always need to remember that we need to be respectful of others' opinions. We need to treat each other with the respect we all deserve. Now, I know the real reason you come to watch Monday Assemblies is because you want to know what the next challenge is. And the next challenge for Challenge 9 is a good one. It's different from what we've done before, but I believe you're going to enjoy it just as much. Have a look at some of these pictures and maybe you'll be able to guess exactly what our challenge is. Did you guess? It's a superhero dress-up challenge. Now, not a dress-up challenge with superheroes that is Spider-Man and Batman and the costumes you always see. No, I want you to be creative. I want you to create your own superhero because you are superheroes in my eyes. But I want you to create your own character. I want you to think about the mask that you will make that is about you, your superhero character, and the cape and and what you wear. Just use the things you already have, but it needs to be unique. It needs to be different. It needs to be the superhero that you are. And if you want, you can add a little bit more to this. You can make your own superhero trump card. Here's some examples. So after you have created your special superhero, you can then name your superhero, draw a picture of your superhero, and put some facts about your superhero. And make sure that you take a picture, both of you in your costume as a masked superhero. And if you do make a superhero fact card, a picture of that as well. Make sure you tweet it to me here at Newlands_PS, or you email it to your teachers. It's really important that you do this by noon on Thursday. This allows the teachers to get those pictures to me so that I can get them in the celebration assembly that we have on Friday. Then on Friday, wow, can you imagine what our celebration assembly will be like? If I like the Newlands Avengers. All right, it's time for you to get thinking, be creative, really just allow your imagination to run and enjoy becoming a new superhero. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.